Hello, this is Derek Frizzell. I am a pre-K 4 teacher, and for my lesson, we were doing patterns for math. That's where students recognize, duplicate, extend, and create patterns. After discussing the mini lesson on patterns, I had my students use Seesaw, a software program, on their tablets. And on that program, they had to complete the next item that completes the pattern. And all they had to do was drag and drop the item into the box. If they were wrong, they had another chance to correct themselves by checking their answer. So the cool thing is they were able to check their work as they went along and get instant feedback. And I really like that. This video shows the results of one of my students completing her assignment on Seesaw. I was really proud of her for only needing one attempt to complete the pattern, and she had about 4 patterns to complete. For my likes, I like the fact that students were able to manipulate shapes in the Seesaw software program. They also received instant feedback if their answers were not correct or if they were correct. And they were able to keep going until they received the correct answer. For my wonderings, I wonder how many of my students were guessing the pattern until they found the correct answer. Also, I wonder if some of the multiple attempts were caused because students were having struggles using the software program in Seesaw. For my next steps, I would like to create an assessment in Seesaw where my students only get one chance to choose the correct answer. I think that will help me determine if they understand the content versus guessing the content.